Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber here. When it comes to your home, water is one of its biggest concerns. Water damage can sneak up on you and over time cause serious damage to your home and its foundation. When water pools up on your lawn, it seeps into the ground and into your foundation. Over time, this will cause the foundation to crack, and if left untreated, can cause issues like basement flooding, mold or mildew, slanted floor joists, or in more severe cases, failing or sinking foundations. When it comes to protecting your home and its foundation, a pint of sweat saves gallons of water and thousands of dollars. It's much less expensive to have waterproofing done than future foundation repairs from structural damage. Your home could be a construction site for months, and repair bills could pile up. But with a little preventative maintenance from the helping hands at John the Plumber, you can easily add decades to your home's lifespan and add more zeros to your bank account. There are many ways you as a home or property owner can prevent water damage. Whether it's foundation crack repair, foundation sealing, French drains, or a weeping tile system installation, John the Plumber has you covered. So come along and we'll show you what to expect when you book a waterproofing service from John the Plumber. Our team will come out and assess your property for any signs of damage. We then tailor our approach based on the needs, which might involve excavating around your property to apply a waterproofing liquid membrane, a membrane wrap, repair foundation cracks, or install a French drain or weeping tile system. Both of these systems direct water to a safe location, be it a sump pump inside your home or street drainage, and though they function similarly, they have some differences. What are French drains? French drain system is an exterior system that uses a perforated pipe laid into a trench to redirect surface and groundwater away from penetrating the house's walls. This prevents the soil from becoming oversaturated around your foundation. This system is installed on ground level and directs water to a septic tank drainage area. What is a weeping tile? The weeping tile system is a 4-inch wide porous pipe that is placed around the home or inside the basement to remove underground water, preventing pooling around the property. This pipe gets covered with a landscape fabric to prevent dirt and rocks from entering the pipe. This system can be done internally and externally. With the exterior system, we install a drainage wrap around the foundation. This will keep wet clay off the foundation and allow water to drain behind the dimples on the wrap. The water will drain from the wrap around the foundation to a layer of gravel which is covering a weeping pipe. The pipe is dug 8 to 10 feet below the basement and is run along the entire perimeter of the property close to the foundation's footing. This all connects under the basement slab to your sump pump or your street drainage. The interior system is placed below the basement floor inside. It will be dug in a deep and wide trench with a weeper pipe placed inside, connecting to your sump pump or drainage system. If your property does not have a sump pump, we would recommend installing a sump pump in your home. This device removes excess water and prevents moisture buildup around your basement and foundation. This additional layer of protection ensures water is redirected away from your home's foundation. These systems and preventative measures can save you thousands of dollars in expenses, save you the headaches and stress from home repairs, and save you the hassle from home insurance battles. If you've noticed water pooling near your foundation, damp or musty smelling basements, cracks in your basement walls or floors, or signs of mold growth or water stains, then it may be time to call the professionals at John the Plumber to help. Our experienced team will provide waterproofing solutions tailored to your property's needs, handling every step of the process with care, expertise, and a friendly smile. So pick up the phone or visit online and book a waterproofing consultation or service from John the Plumber today.